Okay, so welcome to the demonstration tracing the chain rule, exploring automatic differentiation inside a code-generating database system. And it is based on a previous paper published at D, where we showed that we implemented forward mode and reverse mode inside of a code-generating database system. And this was the theoretical part. And now let's come to the practical demonstration here. And the idea is, okay, like we have one big window with 4 parts. Here on the left side, you see the actual SQL query. Here on the right side, you see the emitted generated code. Here you will see the results and here the timing. So here we have like 5 tabs. Like the first one is a simple linear regression model. We can just run it, and here we can see like the parameter A, how it decreases. And then actually what we can do is here we have introduced our automatic differentiation operator here once for forward mode. Here we specify the loss function, here also shown visually, and we can run it. And now the idea is we can compare forward and backward mode. So internally, it just replaces here forward by backward. And then actually by clicking on a variable, for example, here, we see all the corresponding generated code, for example, here. We can have it once in the initial form, then we can optimize it and see how much the code has been reduced by the LLVM, MLIR optimizer. And this was for linear regression. And then we also support matrix operations. For example, here we have a single neural network based on the Iris data set. So this is just some initial data. We can also use it with generate series and random, but actually the interesting part is here. So this is the actual derivation. We can run it again. And here we can see how it gets optimized, how the accuracy increases. And we have also the same with automatic differentiation. Here, for example, we have to call to our function, to our loss function, to our table operator. And we can again have a look. When we look here, we see actually where the data comes from. And then here we can see where the weights come from and how they are going to be optimized. Thanks for listening and hopefully to see you at RealDB in Boston.